Lisa, are we? We are. We're rocking and rolling. All right, Councillor Kingy, could I just ask you to give us the blessing for the day, if that's okay? Thank you. Thank you, Councillor Kingy. And just before we get underway, I'd like to have a minute's silence for Mr. Reverend Sonny Garmansway, who's unfortunately passed away on Saturday. Saturday, I think it was. Reverend Sonny has been particularly helpful to us as a council with various projects that we've had on the go. So the Garmansway family is a huge family in Taupo, and I was fortunate enough to bring him onto the marae on Sunday, and passed on our condolences. So if I could just have a minute silence for Reverend Sonny Garmansway. Thank you, councillors.